Hi, hello. Can you speak English? Yes, I have good command on English language. If you will follow these steps, then you will speak English more better. Do you want to know about these steps? Yes, of course. It will be your great contribution in my knowledge of English speaking. Good. Let's get started. How to improve your English? Speaking English is very important. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good job, and travel to different countries. So, how can you improve your English speaking? First, you need to practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends, family, teacher, or alone. You can talk to yourself in English, saying, "Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you." This is a good way to start. Second, listen to English every day. Listening is also very important. When you listen, you learn new words, how to say the words, and how to make sentences. You can listen to English songs, watch English movies, listen to English audiobooks, and watch English TV shows. You can also listen to people talk who speak English by going to places where people speak English, listening to them and learning. Third, read English books. Reading is very good for learning English. When you read, you learn new words and how to make sentences. You can read easy books, children books, newspapers, magazines, and anything in English. When you read, you should read out aloud. This will help you with your speaking. You can also read with a friend and read to each other. This is good way to practice. Fourth, write in English. Writing is also good for learning English. When you write, you learn how to make sentences. You can write a diary in English. Write about your day, letters to your friends, emails, and stories. I promise my videos help you most in all type of English content. When you write, you should try to use new words. This will help you learn new words. Fifth, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. When you make a mistake, you learn. You can ask your teacher, friend, or family for help. They will help you and tell you how to say things correctly. Do not be shy. Speak English as much as you can. The more you speak, the better we'll get. Sixth, think in English. This is very important. When you think in English, you will speak better. You can start with small things. For example, when you see a dog, you can think, I like dog. When you see a book, you think, this book is very helpful for me. When you are hungry, you can think some advance. I'm starving. My channel you will find advanced English daily use sentences which make your English fluency more better and improve. When you are tired, you can think, I'm exhausted. When you think in English, it will be easier to speak English. Seventh, learn new words every day. Learning new words is very important. When you know more words, you can say more things. You can use a dictionary to learn new words and write them in a notebook. You can try to use the new words in sentences. This will help you remember the new words. 8. Speak slowly. When you speak slowly, it is easier to say the words correctly. It is also easier for people to understand you. Do not speak too fast. Take your time. Think about what you want to say and then say it slowly. Ninth, join an English class. Taking a class is very helpful. You can learn many things in an English class, such as new words and how to make sentences. You can practice speaking with your classmates and ask your teacher questions. Your teacher can help you with your speaking. 10th, have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you have fun, you will want to learn more. You can play games in English, sing songs in English, watch funny movies in English, and talk to your friends in English. When you have fun, you will learn better. 11th, use technology. Today we have many tools to help us learn English. You can use apps on your phone. Many apps can help you practice speaking English, learn new words, and work on pronunciation. You can also use internet to find mistakes, watch videos on YouTube, and take online courses. Technology is very helpful for learning English. 12th, make English speaking friends. Having friends who speak English is very helpful. You can practice speaking with them and they can help you with your mistakes and teach you new words. You can learn about their culture and how people speak in different countries. Making friends who speak English can be very fun and helpful. 13th, watch English news. Watching the news is a good way to learn English. You can learn about what is happening in the world, new words, and how people speak in different situations. You can watch news on TV on the internet. Watching the news can help you improve your English. You can join to these clubs to meet new people. Practice speaking with them. 14th, and learn from them. Joining an English speaking club is a good way to practice and improve your English. 15th, travel to English speaking countries. Traveling is a great way to improve your English. When you travel, you have to speak. You have to talk to people in hotels, restaurants, and shops, ask for directions, and communicate with people. Traveling to English speaking countries can be very fun and helpful. 16th, use flashcards. Flashcards are a good way to learn new words. You can make flashcards with new words, write the word on one side and the meaning on the other side. You can look at the flashcard every day and practice saying words. Flashcards are very helpful for learning new words. 17th, record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is a good way to practice. You can listen to yourself, hear your mistakes, and understand how you sound. You can practice saying the words correctly and ask your friends or teacher to listen to your recording. They can help you with your mistakes. Recording yourself is very helpful for improving your English. 18th. Mimic native speakers. Mimicking is a good way to learn how to speak. You can listen to native speakers and try to speak like them. You can copy their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Mimicking native speakers can help you sound more natural when you speak English. 19th. Read loud. Reading aloud is very helpful. When you read aloud, you practice speaking. You can hear how the words sound, practice your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Reading aloud is a very good way to improve your speaking. 20th. Practice with a partner. Having a partner to practice with is very helpful. You can practice speaking with your partner. Help each other with mistakes. Learn from each other. Practice conversation and practice answering questions. Practice with a partner is a good way to improve your English.